Today's video is going to go over sequence of events, and I'm going to use the visual above me later in the video. But first, we're going to practice this same method that I'm showing you with some text. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. So for the text here, we're just going to explain how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich here. And I got this text that I'm going to use, and then we're going to fill in each box here based on the information. Samantha is making her favorite snack to eat. First, she will put 2 slices of bread on a plate. Next, she spread the peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Then, she spread jelly on the other slice of bread. Last, Samantha put the 2 slices of bread together. She takes a bite out of the sandwich. Tasty. Okay, so what we're going to do is fill in each of these boxes based on the information we just read. So first, what is it that Samantha did first? Okay, she put 2 slices of bread on a plate. What about next? What did she do next? Okay, next she spread the peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Then what did she do after that? Okay, then she would spread jelly on the other slice of bread. And what's the last thing she did? Okay, we're going to put 2 slices of bread together. Okay, so that's to make the peanut butter sandwich. Of course, she did eat it afterwards. So I guess technically you could say that too, but we just wanted to explain here how the steps are in making a peanut butter sandwich. So this is the text portion here. And maybe you're not so comfortable with writing and explaining that with the text we just read. So I also have these pictures here that I showed at the beginning of the video where you could actually just basically draw these on what was first, next, then, and last here. Okay, so I just wanted to put this up just to show you that, yes, you need to be able to explain it and write it, but maybe if you're not on that level yet where you feel comfortable doing that, you can just look at these pictures and then draw what to do. So that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you for my next video.